Before we get to Ripley's Aquarium, I just want to point out that Top Golf is open for business. So if you want to smack some golf balls in a bowling alley style environment, then have at it. Let me know what it's like. I'll eventually visit. Over at Broadway at the beach, we're back at Ripley's Aquarium. As you can see, it's starting to go vertical finally. It seemed like there wasn't much progress for a few weeks, but now we've got big banners and vertical steel going up. Also, the aquarium is open and fully operating. I know some people had questions about if the aquarium was closed or not, but no, it's open. You can visit. All the attractions that you would expect to be operating are operating. You definitely know the tourist season is starting to swing into operation when you hear the city bird in the sky. The local helicopter tours constantly flying. Between now and fall, that sound will be consistent overhead. One last look over the fence by the Stingray fountain. There's a lot of work going on. It looks like not only a building expansion, but probably an entry feature or rework of the front pedestrian space is underway. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns or cookie recipes, and I'll see you next time.